We leave for Sturgis in 2 days, so we need to start thinking about getting the motorcycle packed. If we haven't met yet, I'm Manuel. This is my YouTube channel, Touring Midwest, and we like to cover some motorcycle related Midwest touring kind of stuff. And right now we're getting ready to go on a epic adventure to the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally in, of course, Sturgis, South Dakota. If you don't know about it, where have you been? Anyways, first off, you're gonna want to really plan ahead. Now, this is a complete disaster because I'm just an unorganized kind of person, apparently. But you do want to think about a couple very important things when you're packing your gear on your motorcycle. For instance, this is rain gear. You do not want to put this in the bottom of your saddlebag or in the tour pack in an area that you might not be able to get to very easily. Things like rain gear, jacket, chaps. You want to have that stuff packed someplace where you can access it quickly and easily if you need to. So when you're packing your motorcycle, really think about how you're packing, what you're putting where. Not only does it have to fit right, but less important things towards the bottom, more important things towards the top. The other thing that you want to consider is you want to keep most of your weight as low as possible. You don't want your bike to be top heavy. Head itches. Probably a mosquito. Anyway, so this is important. Now, I usually keep my tools at the bottom of my saddlebag on my motorcycle, but recently I got these right there, and you might be saying, man, this video is like really bad and there's no lighting. You're right, but you also might be saying, that's a Road King badge. I thought you had a Road Glide Ultra. Boom. I do have a Road Glide Ultra, but I found these online, got a deal on them, and so I got them. So they just mount to your saddlebag bracket here, guard, whatever you want to call it. And what I've done, and I think this is the way I'm going to roll, is I got my tools in here. Probably way more tools than any one man needs, but I need to go through this and actually see, like, just bring the tools that work for, you know, critical fasteners and things like that. But I always think, well, what if somebody else breaks down and needs a tool? I should have it. So whatever. Then I got sockets and small things, and this little pouch right here, easy to get to, convenient. Bam balam. So, but what I like about this is, so that stuff is accessible, but it's nice and low on your bike. So the tools aren't taking up room in your saddlebag, but you know, they're still nice and low. They're organized, tidy, and secure. So I like that. The bag on the other side has a bottle holder right there, and then this side is a little bit smaller, and I have not yet determined what I'm going to keep in there, but there you go. Tank bag. This one's made by Mad Dog. It is in my my Amazon influencer store, so you can check that out. Super cheap, under 35 bucks if I remember correctly. Nice little magnetic tank bag. It's not huge, but it'll hold like a camera, sunglasses, and you know, essential things like that. Place for your phone if you want it, but boom, right there, Zero phone mount, got that covered, and cup holder. All right, well, we are on our way. We're a little behind schedule today, which is a little nerve-wracking, but we'll just push it a little harder and get out there. One thing nice is we don't have to set up camp, so it'll be a little bit easier to We won't really have to worry about getting there and running out of daylight, because all we have to do is unload our bikes and put it in the cabin. So, and we ended up gearing up because it's looking like rain. Hot already. And we're trying to get our Sennas connected so we can chat. Hopefully we can figure out how to get them connected. I had them connected 2 nights ago, but it's throwing a wrench in my plans for vlogging. I got some new things going on my bike, so I'm a little like freaking out. Hopefully I don't lose anything. So anyways, you know what's gonna happen is he's just gonna, like, the Sennas are just gonna connect all of a sudden, and then he'll be on the air. So there you go. Otherwise, I think we're gonna ride a little while and then get some gas. And hey,
I can hear you now.
hey, you're in the vlog.
Well, that worked out good.
Yeah. So
Good. That's weird. We couldn't pair them in the parking lot, but we could pair them out here.
yeah, I don't know. They're goofy. I mean, usually, like, mine and Gavin's usually pairs up right away. So, but I know that it can be kind of finicky at times. So,
Yeah. Well, at least we got communication now.
yeah, we're on now.
I'm looking forward to this week big time.
Yeah, I'm super honored that you chose to come with, and I'm hoping I can show you a good time and give you a good experience out here. So should be good. Holy wind!
Well, I'm getting a few sprinkles on the windshield.
Yeah, should be not very fun. So riding through rain.
Rain ain't too bad, but you get the heavy stuff, it sucks.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, hopefully if it is gonna, it just stays like little sprinkles like this or whatever, because, I mean, depending on how hard it starts raining, that could slow us down pretty considerably.
Yeah, I think we're just running into the tail end of that wall we saw.
Yeah.
Now, if the worst of it stays north, we might be okay.
Right on.
Hey, what is going on? Well, we made it to Rapid City. So we just finished up eating here at, where do I go? Hoo-Ha, right there. Yeah, Mongolian barbecue. If you haven't had it, you should find one and try it. It's pretty good. And yeah, they're kind of a chain. Good food. So basically we're gonna finish up here, get some gas right over there at the holiday station, and head down to our cabin.
500 and some miles. Let's see, I forgot to reset mine. So 493 plus 72. So roughly 560 miles or whatever so far, and a couple more to go. So yeah, not a bad day. We had to run into some rain for a little bit, but all in all pretty good after that. A little windy, but that's about it. So we're coming into Custer. Been seeing
quite a few bikes already, which is awesome. Super excited. I wish I could see Ed's face. I mean, if I was him, I'd be like grinning from ear to ear. My mirror's dirty. So, I guess as far as my vlogging goes, today one didn't go 100% as planned, but that's mostly because of the rain. I had to disconnect everything, and so anyway, just don't have the proper equipment to do things, I guess. But we will keep trying throughout the week. So again, big thanks to my sponsors for the Touring Midwest Sturgis adventure. All of our coverage of the 2018 Sturgis Motorcycle Rally is because of the support of my awesome sponsors, Custom Dynamics, Sounds Customs, Rogue Rider Industries, Rivermoto, and Rick Rack. So huge thanks to them. Check them out. Their links will be in the description of this video. And great companies, great people, and I just really want to show them a huge amount of appreciation. So very cool. Oh. Well, the cop must have not minded my lights. Oh, so freaking exciting. Oh, I love it. I just love it. Being amongst all these motorcycles. Oh man. It's exciting. Back. I wasn't recording that whole time. All right.
Take two.
Yeah, take two. So we made it to Custer. 568 miles for the first day. Ed's keeping track there because I'm a failure. So yeah, he's keeping track of things for us. Pretty good ride. Had to go through some rain for a little while, but after that cleared out, all we had to deal with was wind and sunshine, so we could deal with that. Hopefully the rest of the week is good. This is home right here for the next couple days, and then we get to move over to this one right there for the rest of the week. So that's what the deal is. So I'll probably get back with you guys tomorrow.
You may know what video this might not speak well to how easy the product is to use.
We'll see. This is Ed's first time assembling the pack chair. I think he's got it right so far.
you have to give it some force. What do you think? Yeah. Textures. So far, so good.